Why we're surrounded by
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is we are going to Bali. Yes, hello. You need a light. Ano naman nga plano? OFW na naman kami. Actually, wala talagang kaplano-plano na naman. As always. Ito lang kasi yung nagpasimuno ng lahat.
We're going back!
And side note, may tae pa yung nakaapa pa yung sapatos ko ng tae at ayaw matanggal guys. Sobrang tigas na ng tae. Good morning guys! Welcome back here to my channel and we are here now in Bali. We are now here again in Bali. So, on the spot lang yung plan ng mga friends ko na pumunta dito. And, actually, nag-change location lang kami para mag-work pa din. But, you know, kailangan mo talaga mag-unwind after super long work hours. And kaya nag-decide kami na magbalik kasi sobrang stressful na ng work. So, kailangan namin mag-unwind a little bit. And so, nandito kami ngayon sa El Barrio. Naka-check-in dito sa Canggu. And for today's episode is we are going to eat outside. And ayun, so may na-recommend sa amin yung friend namin na kainan, which is a coffee shop, 7 a.m. later. So, 7 a.m. yung name ng restaurant. So punta namin yun. And we are just going to eat our brunch there. And after, hindi na namin alam kung ano. Kasi wala talagang kaplan. As always, kapag nagta-travel, walang itinerary. So, yun lang. Yun lang. And I'll just update you later. So, now is I am going to tour you around our room. So, for now, is mag-room tour muna tayo, guys. Ayusin ko muna yung bed kasi medyo wasak na siya. So, guys, this is our villa. So, this is the entrance. Medyo makalat na siya. As you can see, this is the kitchen area. Tapos ito naman yung living area. There. Sa labas, meron kami yan. Kasi na mga lago sa sagwa ko, pero nga halay ba? Hello! Good morning! Welcome to
Bali!
Ito yung room ng mga girls. Hello!
Welcome!
So let's go up until the... So meron kaming veranda dito guys, which is really nice. Look at the design. It's the veranda. Meron na kaming pool area dun. So this veranda is going towards our room. So this is our room. As you can see, makalat na. Meron kaming terrace dito. And yung hello Kirby. And yung best part is maganda yung banyo namin. Ito yung banyo. Hello. Meron kaming skylight dito. my bathtub. This is the shower area. So, if you are a content creator, ma-enjoy mo talaga yung accommodation mo dito kasi marami kang spots na masushoot. And, ayun. Okay guys, so we're here now at 7 a.m. and this was recommended by John Emrys. Thank you, John.
Sobrahan.
Hello.
Hey. So we found a good cafe.
So here's my coffee. This is cocoa coffee. May coconut siya na. Let's try it. The Vietnam. It tastes like Vietnam. Oh, try.
Silog, no?
Tastes good. Here's our food. Yeah.
Dapat. Hindi po bala ka
Good.
Cheers.
First impressions.
Naman. Hello guys!
Hello guys! Kain tayo!
Milan.
Sardinas! Kain po tayo, sardinas lamang.
So this is our situation for today. Thank you to all our clients. Dahil po sa inyo nakapag-travel kami. At the same time, nag-work dahil sa inyo.
Blessing and a curse.
Watch.
Blessing and a curse.
So we're here in Penelay. And siguro hindi na ako kakain guys kasi sobrang lumalaki na yung chan ko ngayon. And ayun. It's their first time here in Penelay. Hi guys, welcome. Wow, the makeup is so snatch. Barina G.
Ano? What are you ordering?
We are done eating, so we are planning to go to Gigi Susu for a croissant. Kasi ito yung nilook forward ko. I'm so excited to eat. Hey guys! So yung ginagawa namin dito is kapag umaga, nag-edit kami. Then after, pagkagabi, nung hapon, pagkahapon, gala kami. Work and biga balance. So, sorry kay coach kasi sugar. Puro na kami di sugar. Guys, na-close sana kami ng Gigi Susu. Look. Ay, nako. Hey guys, so we're here at La Brisa. And as you can see, madilim na kasi hapon talaga kami umalis. For the sake na mapuntahan, let's go. We're back this year better than before. What are you drinking?
I don't know. It's a mocktail.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey guys, so we're here in Muda right now. So kasama ko si Kirby kasi yung dalawa nag-shopping pa. And sobrang tagal nila guys. So we decided to go here na lang and have some cocktails since it's happy hour. And it's really nice. Look at the place. Hello. So this is our view outside. Let's have some drink number 2. Hello, they're here. Hi guys. Diba, parang kape lang. And this is our free food. So I'm just gonna try this one.
Salmonite.
Nice. Namit? Ayaw niya guys. Kasi daw is that. So, all mine. Yummy. Good morning guys. So we're staying in. Yung mga girls lumabas kasi gusto nila mag-coffee outside. Kami ni Kirby may tapusing deadline. So we're just going to buy coffee here na lang sa hotel. And we just ordered our lunch. And dito na lang kami kakain. Let's eat guys. So we are having salad for lunch. So I am having my pineapple salad. Ayan, si Kirby. Ito. Yan, kasi hindi kami nakapag-gym for how many days. So mag-healthy diet muna kami. And let's eat. Watching Miss Universe. Bakit nandito si Rosman? Hey guys, checking out here in El Barrio. We're going to change our hotel in Seminyak. Hi! Si Acidic girl. Love your fit. Where did you buy that? Wow! Hey guys, so we're here at Warung Sika. Hello. Let's eat.
Kasi hindi ka rin makaon. Stress eating. Ayun.
Hey guys, so we're here at Yoga Republic. And bumili ako ng perfume nila. It smells good. Tinay ko kagabi. And sobrang, nung isang araw I mean. Pero sobrang nasa skin ko pa rin kahit naligo na ako. And after this, we're going to Gigi Suzu and I am so excited. Kasi last time ko pa ni gina-crave. And subong ko lang kami makadto and hopefully may mga bilhin pa sila nga tinapay. Mga turista. This is the almond croissant. 52. Okay. Can I have one almond croissant?
So we came around late afternoon yesterday, but the place was closed, so we went back for it.
So yummy.
Gigi Susu.
Last time ko pa hindi na-crave.
Wala kayo na tinapay?
We got the goods.
Hey guys, so nandito na kami sa villa sa Seminyak. So I'm just gonna tour you around. This is our villa. This is our room. Hello. Yan, kasi para sa lamok. May mini sofa. This is our toilet. It's outdoor. Yan. Papunta sa banyo. And salas. Sobrang laki ng pool. This is our tambayan. Tambayan ng bayan. Hello guys!
New villa.
Ito yung kitchen nila. Yan. May free water and all. So this is a passageway. Chair. Ito yung rooms ng mga girls. Yung master's bedroom. Nice. Tapos meron silang sariling veranda here. And malaki yung toilet nila. As you can see. Hello. And ito yung toilet. May his and her. The shower. And kapag tatae ka, ito yung view mo. Ano? Ginano ka mo? Ay, pagod mag-TikTok.
Other side. Double na yun.
Hello guys, so no update today kasi the whole day ginawa namin is naghabol na kami ng deadlines and nag-swim ng kaunti kasi umulan kaninang umaga. And today is we are going to beach walk kasi we're planning to go shopping. And medyo pero iiwan ko yung Osmo and hindi ko na alam after kung saan. Wala talaga kaming solid na itinerary ngayon. Pero tomorrow, meron kami itinerary with our driver, Gidi. And iikot kami around Uluwatu kasi para may ganap na naman kami kasi we are always here sa villa. And actually nakaka-enjoy din naman na mag-chill lang, matulog, mag-work. And ayun, so this is my look for today. Simple lang. Medyo mainit kasi, so I am excited to go out again kasi kanina pa kami dito and kagigising ko lang actually. So good morning guys, so we are heading to Uluwatu. Nandito na yung sundo namin, which is Gidi. Hi Gids! Hello! We're back! So siya yung palaging kasundo namin. As you can see sa last vlog ko, Bali din. Siya yung driver naman always dito sa Bali. Last night pala, nag-party kami and hindi na ako napag-video kasi ayoko magdala ng Osmo doon sa club. And yung cellphone full na din, so hindi na ako napag-video. And ayun, ito. I had fun also. Medyo patito na yung moves pero it was fun. And ayun, so nag-plan kami mag-tour ngayon kasi para may ganap naman kami kasi palagi lang kami dito sa villa. Hey guys, so we're here at the restaurant now and we're just ordering food. Brunch na guys.
Maligo, sa pool na tulo-tulo lang.
Hey guys, so we're here at Melasti Beach. So dito kami dinala ni Gidi. And this is the beach. So nag-decide na lang kami dito magstay. Just to chill. Though the weather is not good, but you know, we need our drinks. Hello. Hey guys, so we're heading now to Revolver. Good morning anyway. So iniwan na lang namin si Darling kasi may tinatapos pa siya project. So it's our last day here kasi later tonight is uuwi na kami ng Pilipinas. And somehow medyo happy kami kasi parang palabas na yung bagyo. Hi guys! May to? No, it's fine. Thank you. Kagabi actually umalis kami para lang mabili ng mga gamit. Then, yun lang yung pambili ng mga pasalubong. Pero later, pupunta kami ng Bintang Market kasi mas maraming choices siguro doon. So we are now here in Revolver.
Yes, coming please.
Thank you. So,
Sport 3?
yes. I ordered iced latte. Isog siyang fairness.
I got creme brulee latte, I guess.
Namin.
Siya tamis. Linya ng mga trend tayo.
Let's eat, guys. Project done! Exporting na. So I'm here at Starbucks and I'm buying another coffee. Wala lang. Para hindi ako maantok, guys. Kasi parang nakulangan ako sa coffee ko kanina. Hey guys, so we are buying real leather here.
Okay, 900. Yes.
What's the name of your store? You
Hi, my
Madden.
name
Is
is
it Madden?
Madden Leather.
Madden.
And my name is Mira and Lalinis. Thank you, you come here again.
You're Miss Universe, Bali!
Yes. Sorry.
Support her business, guys.
Yes, small business Madden Leather, yeah. And
Yeah,
the
you
best
give me
number
big
one in
discount.
Bagan. Okay, don't worry.
These are real leathers. I like this one. This blue one. But it's kind of expensive. Across flea market lang yung location nila. And dito sa sa Maniac. Across flea market dito sa Maniac lang yung location nila. And ayun. Hey guys, so we're here at the flea market. So sabi nila, mabilis lang daw sila. Pero ang dami ng pinamili. Hello? Nan, siya pa huli. Ang isa, baka.
Looking! I give you Filipino price. Bali Bali t-shirt, no? I have Bali Bali t-shirt.
So we're here at Divide with these ladies. Hello ladies! Hi! So this is their shop in Semenya. Visit them guys. It's really nice. Maganda siya for pasalubong. I bought this one. It's nice.
Baka makisa.
Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you so much. And we will search the meaning of this. Ada. And they gave us a free bracelet. It's really nice.
Thank you so much.
Thank
for
you.
coming.
Thank you. See you again next year.
Be waiting.
Yes, thank you.
And safe flight tomorrow.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
And nice to meet you again.
Yes.
Bye bye to your cats. It's okay, all good.
They're so nice, guys. Actually, lahat ng pinuntahan namin ng mga shops, yung mga nagbebenta, they're very nice and very welcoming sa akin. And ayun. Hey guys, so we're here at Bread Yard. So nadaanan na namin yung lugar na to and it's really nice. It's very aesthetic. Hey guys, so we got our stuff. Ito na yung mga grocery namin. Galing kami sa Bintang Market, supermarket. And ngayon, pauwi na kami sa aming hotel para mag-impake kasi mamaya na yung flight namin. Are you tired of shopping? And we're here, and that's it for today, guys. And thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you guys on my next one. Busy yung dalawa.
See you in Europe. Bye!